If you wanna get ripped, there's a million ways. Sweet chick, familiar face, wine.
Change today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?
Hi guys, let's jump straight into it. I'm going pink. So I will be using my old wig. This wig was made October 2019 and it's been about 2 years. It's August 2021. So yeah, I'm gonna transform this unit. I'm gonna take it from blonde to pink. This frontal is a year old. I did a frontal placement in 2020. It is now 2021 and the frontal is still intact. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put on the wig right now so you can see how it looks before, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along this process. This is it. It was originally 30 inches. Obviously, it lost a little bit of its length over time, but it's still pretty lengthy. It is waist length. So this is how it looks before. I will not be watercoloring this. I will be doing this by hand. I am a wig maker. But I will be coloring this by hand because I feel like if I dip, it's a lot of hair and it's really thick, okay? My 613 hair is really thick. So I want to make sure everything is being saturated and well distributed. So I will be going in by hand and mixing the colors with a little bit of conditioner. I'm going to show you guys how I do it and everything. I'm going to walk you guys through how I transform this. So for the items I'm using today, I have a dye brush, Rose Gold by Kiss, Soft Lavender by Adore. I have some gloves, some clips, conditioner packets, spray bottle, bowl, and a whisk. So as for measurements, I do not have exact measurements. They did have some lines on the bowl itself, so I think I was measuring it, but honestly, I was really just eyeballing it. You can never be too exact, but I'm just trying to put an even amount of each, and I intend on just mixing it properly so the colors just blend and become unified. So I'm literally just blending the colors together. I'm trying to blend it well so that it just becomes one consistent color. I'm adding conditioner right now. I'm using Color Soak by Revlon. Like I said, I am a wig maker, so I have a bunch of these packets. I love these conditioners. They soak out the hair. They get the hair so soft and they smell so good. So I literally use them all the time. So I'm just adding some more conditioner and just mixing it together. And this also stretches out the dye itself. I honestly think I only had 4 bottles of dye, 2 rose gold and 2 soft lavender. This is the consistency right now, and yeah. So we're about to start the process. I'm just adding it to the mannequin head and putting some T-pins so it doesn't move while I'm, coloring. I have a spray bottle right now that's just dampening the hair a little bit because 613 hair is kind of dry and I don't want any lines of demarcation. I just want everything to go on smoothly. So I'm just taking my time and detangling it, dampening it a little bit, and then I'm just going to add the color. So I'm literally adding it. I'm taking my time. I do feel as though for that first mixture I made, I added a little bit too much conditioner, so I was getting a little excess product on, but it was all good. It ended up working out, but I did see a lot of product coming out, so I think I would just take one packet less, honestly. So I decided to slow this part down. I just wanted to do a little close-up just to show you guys how I'm detangling the hair. So I'm just detangling it track by track. I'm trying to make sure there are no knots in there, and then I'm gonna dampen it. I'm dampening it just using my spray bottle. A little goes a long way. We don't want it to be drenched. We just want it to be a little moist to just make our life a little bit easier while we're detangling. And yeah, so I'll just slow down this part and you guys could just watch. I'll be back later.
She got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, little X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Hey, respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take an advance. Shit wasn't going as planned. I put a shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. First she went back to a man. Give a
Finally
fuck.
finished after like 30 years later. I finally finished. I started this at around 2. I didn't finish till about 8:30. Keep in mind the hair is really long, so it did take me a while to finish it, but it was well worth it. I washed it out and you could just see how luscious that color is. I didn't even have to do any conditioning because, like I said, I mixed the color and conditioner, so it already softened the hair. But this is it in a different lighting. It got lighter from the other clip, but it's gonna also change as it dries as well. But this is it for the most part, and I'm in love with this color. It was originally supposed to be lighter, but I'm okay with this. I'm fine with this. I can see the little rosy tones, but it's still very much so pink, and I'm obsessed with this. I can't wait to let it dry, and then I'm gonna style it, and I'll insert a small clip. I wasn't gonna include the styling part. Well, I'm not gonna include an in-depth styling part, but I'm gonna include a little clip of me straightening the hair and layering it. So I'll see you guys then.
Hey. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day. It's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it prove, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next.
So I forgot to cut on the camera, but I did layer one side, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the difference. I would definitely pick volume and movement over length at any time. I decided to just trim the hair and frame it to my face because after a color, and especially having the hair for about 2 years, I just wanted to, you know, give it a new look. So I decided to layer it, and do you see how full it is? It just looks overall healthy and just looks like a whole new unit, versus that side is a little bit more space in between, and it just wasn't really coordinating. So I decided to frame it, and I loved it.
If you wanna get ripped, there's a million ways. Sweet chick, familiar face. Wine, I got a brilliant taste. Wine, she got brilliant ways. Money and fame.
So I laid my hair down with some Got To Be Glue free spray and spritz. That'll be for another video. I am a glueless girl. I really do not like to use glue on my hair, especially because I take my wig off at night, so I need something that I'll be able to literally slap off. But right now I'm just, you know, putting some makeup on the lace and dividing the part just so that it blends well. You wouldn't even tell that this wasn't really glued down because it's already like super flat. It's flat, it's on my head. I'm just using a hot comb and my wax stick to just sleek everything down, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. I'm literally just touching it up.
Stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?
is the final look. Okay, I was originally going for something super lighter, but I really enjoy this look. I love the color, I love the style, and I'm just really happy with how it came out. And you guys seen how we started this off. You guys seen the before, and now you see the after. The layers definitely did what it was supposed to do. It made the hair look a lot fuller and a lot healthier, and it just shaped the unit as a whole. So I just love it. I love the final look, and I'm going to wear the hell out of this wig. Let me not lie to myself. I'm gonna wear it though, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear the hell out of it. But I absolutely love the way it looks. Let me know how you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Give me your honest feedback. And make sure you guys follow my wig page at goddess.wigs and subscribe to my email list at goddessbeauty.org. My name is Abena. DM me, write me, contact me. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know how we can improve. I'm all for constructive criticism because this is my first time. So let me know. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye.